My name is Anna Dienda, and I'm going to show you how I use one of my favorite European cheeses, Asiago Stagionato. Today, I'm making Asiago rosemary and pear scones that can be enjoyed by themselves or with a drizzle of honey. Simple and delicious. What I like about working with European cheese is how amazing they pair with desserts. Typically, you don't think it's cheese as a normal component of a dessert, but Asiago is so versatile that when used in a savory or sweet application, it really shines through on the dish. I like working with PDO because it's guaranteed quality. PDO and PGI products represent excellence in European food production and are both the result of a unique combination of human and environmental factors characteristic of certain geographical areas. Asiago Stagionato is a product that is much appreciated for its unique qualities and the distinctive flavor differentiating it from any other mature cheese. Asiago Stagionato is a semi-fat hard cheese with a semi-cooked curd and originates from the Alpine plateau of the same name. As an excellent table cheese, Asiago is suitable for a quick antipasto on its own or accompanied by cold cuts and eggs. It is also recommended as an after-dinner cheese, as I did today for a dessert course, either on its own or with fresh fruit. It combines well with honey, chutneys, and jams, and it is excellent in sophisticated pairings. It is made with amore. During COVID-19, people want comfort food without compromising quality and taste of the dish, and Asiago gives you just that in that you can utilize the cheese in so many different applications.